Welcome to 51310 at the Lake Buena Vista Resort Village and Spa. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit with a gorgeous view of the pirate pool. Let's go right outside onto the private deck and have a look. To the right of the resort is a shopping center which contains 65 stores, the Lake Buena Vista factory outlet stores, including Nike and the Gap and several other name brand stores. And then this view of the beautiful private pool. This unit is for sale, so inquire. All of the units have a queen-size sleeper sofa in the living area. Full kitchen, dining area. The kitchen includes all of the amenities. Dishes, all comes with it. An owner's closet. And there's a second bedroom with 2 double beds. Again, a view of the pirate pool and a 4-piece bath. And let's go check out the master bedroom. And these rooms have king-size, comfy beds. This room has a beautiful view of the pirate pool. Building 3 is across from you, and all of the rooms have TVs, alarm clocks, and beautiful jacuzzis, large jacuzzi tubs, stand-up shower, and walk-in closet. Thanks for taking the tour.